Today we're talking about servicing electric space heaters. You can see all the dust inside here. So at least once a year you want to inspect these. If they're full of dust, you can see dust accumulated inside the heating element. You want to go ahead and disassemble them, inspect for burnt wires, frayed wires. And you can use an old paintbrush to clean them out. The brush attachment on your vacuum cleaner gently, or a can of compressed air, or what I use is a battery powered leaf blower. I find that works quick and easy. And there's just 4 screws that hold the front and the back together. Using a number 2 screwdriver, you unscrew those screws and the 2 halves separate. Then there's 4 screws inside that hold the fan and heating element assembly. You'll unscrew those as well. Once you pull everything apart, go ahead and clean it out and blow it out. And we'll fast forward here a little bit. So there's the 2 halves. There's the heating element. So inspecting the wires, everything looks good. I'll take out those 4 screws there. Once you get all 4 screws loose, they should just pull out. Again, be careful with your wires. You don't want to pull or damage any wire connections. I would recommend only using a regular screwdriver and not a cordless drill driver, because you don't want to strip out the plastic housings. And you can see all the dust in there. So that's obviously a fire hazard. And it's not going to work as efficiently if it's clogged up. So we're going to clean all that out of there.
Woo!
See all the dust that came out of that. So we'll clean out each piece. Yeah, the leaf blower makes quick work of it. Again, be gentle with your wire connections. Blow out the fan and heating element assembly.
Wow.
And again, you can also reach in there with a soft brush, gently clean out the rest of that dust. I apologize for the background noise. I'm cleaning these out in my garage. So We'll advance the video ahead. I think you get the idea. Now this other unit comes apart slightly differently. You'll note on the bottom there's an additional 4 small screws that you have to take out. So 4 in the back, 4 in the bottom. Then once you take it apart, there's those 4 screws inside to remove the fan and heating element assembly. Again, we'll inspect the wires, wire connections. Just like the other one, separates. You can see all the dust in there, not quite as bad. Still a lot of lint and dust in there, you can see. So you're going to want to clean that out. Just going to give it a once over with a soft brush to clean off what the blower missed. Then we'll go ahead and reassemble. And I'll advance the video. So again, you can see we reattach our 4 screws. Again, be careful to make sure your wires get tucked in properly so you don't pinch any wires during the assembly process. Then reattach the back cover and the 4 screws. And you're good to go.
Woo!
This other unit, basically same assembly process. Just remember you have those 4 small screws on the bottom. This one's good to go. We'll then test run both of them, make sure they're working properly. You can see it's nice and clean inside there now.
Wow.
So for demonstration purposes, I'm using this piece of tissue to show you air movement through the unit. See, it works properly, sounds good. It's moving the tissue. That's just in fan mode. Keep in mind when you use an electric space heater, and now you can see with it off, when you use an electric space heater, don't ever put it near anything combustible that can catch fire, like carpeting, drapes, paper, cardboard, etc. You want to keep clearance around your space heater at all times so it doesn't overheat or catch anything on fire. I hope this information helped. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.